I'm going to put our fans on so that we can at least cool this down more. Let's see what this shows. 235. See, I don't like that. So we'll go back. We'll go to active test. We'll turn our fan on. I think we have a radiator fan control option here. Here we go. I just want to turn the fan on. So I put a new thermostat housing on. Here's the old one. I just put the whole housing on. Let's see it. So I'm gonna start this up, and we'll see if it works better. See if this thermostat opens. Everything else is good. Let's see. There we go. So let me exit out of here. Let's go back. Let's go live data. We'll just let this run and bleed. I'll just log the